So, good day everyone. So, this is parang exploration na video on how to go about with Wakelet. So, since para siyang in siya ngayon, tingnan natin kung what Wakelet could offer to us. So, to go to Wakelet, just go to your URL or address bar, type there wakelet.com, and then hit enter. Then once you're there, marami po yung nandyan. You can read it for a while. But for us, you can just go click, kung wala ka pa pong account in Wakelet, just go on and click sign up. It's free. Okay? Then you have the option to get started by continuing with Apple, continue with Google, continue with Microsoft, and continue with Facebook, or sign up with what email that you have. Or if you already get an account, you have login button there. Okay? And if you want to sign up also, you need to read and agree to the Wakelet's terms, privacy, and rules. Now, for those not so much concerned with their security about the data that they have or they are submitting or what Wakelet are getting into, you can just skip that part there. And for depth employees, you have the option to go continue with Google using depth email or continue with Microsoft using your Office 365 account. Now, for this specific example, I'll be using first my depth email. So I just go on with continue with Google, or I change my mind. I'll just go to my Office 365 account. So I'll just continue with Microsoft. And yeah, I'll just continue with my work, enter my password. And I think I'm getting in. So it's asking me permissions requested. Wakelet, this application is published by Microsoft or organization. So I'd like to sign you in and read your profile, maintain access to data I've given access to. And for specific terms of service and privacy statement, you can just click these links here. And then if you agree with it, you just go click accept, or if not, you can just click cancel and just do not go on with this video anymore. Then date of birth, yeah, so I'll just pause this for a while. Then after clicking the date of birth, then check the Wakelet's terms, privacy, and rules, and you can just click later, create your account. So I'll just pause it for a while. So that's it. So after clicking create your account, yan po siya, nandiyan na siya. So, it's calling me here, Ronel Bolano, save anything, create stunning collections, and share your story with the world. Tell us a bit about you to help us personalize your Wakelet experience. So para pala siyang compilation or portfolio ng kung ano man, collection or something like this. Para siyang Pinterest, no? Let's start. Get started. So username required. Mm, what username? Okay, I'll just have it. Okay, or walang, yun na lang. Okay, then, or, yeah, just go on with it. Then, how it'll best describe what you do, educator, student, business, other. Now, if you are an educator, you can just go click educator there, or business or others, or student. So, if you're in student, just go click the student, so educator. Sabi niya, please specify. Hmm, well, depende na rin yan sa inyo. What level are you teaching? But I'd like to choose here technology instructional coach, then just click done. So I'm there already. So let's see. If I click this or this, my profile picture, I think I can edit. Yeah, I can edit my profile. All public collections will be presented here at profile username, bio, and organized public collections in the different sections. So it's like a Facebook bio, I think, and profile picture. So it's a bit empty here, so you can add public collections, so something like that. But what else can you do with Wakelet? Okay, let's try to see. Hmm. View account settings. Showcase. What showcase is that? Community showcases. So we have showcase sample of Wakelet portfolios or showcases here. hmm So it's like creating website of collections or works or artworks or something like that portfolio thing. hmm Yeah, those are a sample of those Wakelet accounts. So I think you can also keep, yeah, like for example, this course on e-content development. So if I click this, if I'm interested into learning about e-content development, if I'll click it, so there's a course supposedly, yeah, just like this. And yeah, self-paced, it's free, need of e-content development, and you have the video, you can upload the video there. Can also upload, yeah. So if one teacher could make this, can make a course out of your specific contents right now in distance learning as a supplement to the most common module distance modular learning, so the printed ones. So you can add this as a complement or a supplement to their studies. You have quizzes, you can post videos and other things like this. So this is from India, and think you can set also your Wakelet to public or private, so it depends. If you want to have as many audience, international audience, you can set it to public. Google tips, tricks, and updates. So there's another course here, showcase. There's another course or something like Wakelet collection. Yeah, so it's like discussing on how to do about with Google tips, tricks, and updates. And you can follow. So just like Twitter and Instagram, you can follow. And you can save this to the collection that you also have, that you might also want to have, or you can share this. Let us say if what are the different platforms that we can share this into. So you can we can export this as PDF, we can embed this in the websites, you can make QR codes out of it, and Google Classroom in Teams as a. We have Twitter, we have, what's this? I don't know about it. And Facebook and other things. You can just copy the link. Yeah, it's good. Okay, let's go back home. So remote learning with Wakelet, support educator, remote learning guide. So there's also a guide here, so let's just read it. Okay, remote learning with Wakelet. So you can sign it up for free, download the remote learning guide. So you can create a collection. Yeah, add some contents, share your collections, collaborate with your students. Yeah, it's quite interesting also. Yeah, and you can do Wakelet in your mobile phones. Oh, so for example, I'd like to create a learning course design. So you can just do that with Wakelet. So it's like you're having an app for yourself because you can customize this application. It's totally custom. Yeah, you can customize it to whatever you need. Okay, so that's pretty it is. Let's try to make one. How do we make one? Let's just go to wakelet.com again. Okay, wakelet.com. Like for example, I need to create a new collection. hmm Uh, add a cover page maybe later. So I'll just add a title for my collection. Like for example, Office 365 or basics of Office 365. Then description for your collection. This is a learning course. This is a learning course to be familiar with the different tools and applications in the Office 365 collection, the Office 365 suite. that was given to all employees in the Department of Education, Philippines. Okay, so basically this will be a collection of how to videos in Office 365. I can add a cover image later, and then let's add some content. Let's see, let's try. So I can add URL, I can add text, I can add YouTube videos, tweets, bookmarks, image, PDF, Google Drive, OneDrive videos. That's awesome. So let's see. YouTube, I'll just try to add first YouTube videos straight from YouTube. Let's say, mhm, let's say opening Office 365 for the first time. Then I'll just search for my name about it. And then I'll add it up, then add. And that's one. Opening school Office 365 account for the very first time. Okay. And I can add what? I can add, you finish, you can close here to close your collection, and voila, make the collection public if you want to share it with the world. Okay, got it. So I can add videos, learning courses here, keep going, add more content. Make this collection your own, cover background image, reorder your items, add notes and images. Okay. Mhm. Opening school Office 365 account for the first time, and then this is for account management. So I also add another YouTube video about forget password in Office 365. I'll just also search for my name there, and yep, I'll add it up. Mhm. So this is for you to set up your account recovery information, and then I can add as many things as I'd like it to be. This is currently in private, so I can change this one to public so that everyone can see the collection. Like for example, like this, I'll set it to public, and then if I say it's done. Visit the no thanks, maybe later. Then I can now share this to whatever platform that I'd like it to be shared, or export this as PDF or embed this. Okay, or I can invite somebody to collaborate and to make, or to to contribute in my collection, and I can just copy the link or copy the code or the QR code, something like that, and send it to him or her. Okay, so I think that's it for now as the basics or exploration in Wakelet. So wake this was just the first, but I know this is a lot to offer. So it's for you now to try Wakelet by yourself. Thank you so much, and good day.